Alright YouTube, so welcome to Sleeper Barbecue, new barbecue or YouTube barbecue channel, and we're going to be making all kinds of mistakes, I'm sure, but you know, you gotta start somewhere. I'm tired of making excuses about not doing a video. The camera shy thing just got old with me, so got some editing software, got a lot more to learn yet. But today we're going to do some chicken wings. I already don't like the positioning on my camera. I can't see everything that's on my table for as far as my seasonings and so forth. But so I'm just going to pick it up and actually show you. Today I went to my local gun shop, and he's starting to carry some rubs called All-American Pitmasters. This one's actually stealth, and it's made specifically for chicken. So this will be the first time I'm using it. I don't really know. I've only got 16 wings, so I'm not going to be able to do put so many wings with it. But I thought at least try it and see how it goes. The next thing we're going to do is just regular old garlic, a garlic paste, because I don't have garlic. So butter and garlic paste, and my new Lodge little saucepan from Elton. And of course I've tried, I don't know if you can see them or not for sure, but I've tried Uncle Steve's shakes. But I gotta tell you, I tried the Gator shake last, and I like all the other shakes, don't get me wrong, but this Gator shake is something that I really like, and I'll be using a whole lot more of it. Another sauce that I've been raving, other people have already tried it. This Blues Hogs Raspberry Chipotle. Really like this stuff too. I've seen some YouTube videos come out with it, but I tried it because of that, and actually my local Ace Hardware is stocking a lot of barbecue stuff now, etc. So I'm real happy with that. One of the things I wanted to try, because I want to try and make sure my wings are sort of crispy. Meat Church, I've tried this stuff before. It worked good on some, tried it on some crab balls. They fried up nice. I like the flavor. I did them on, used it on fried green tomatoes. They turned out really well. Liked it. So I thought, why not? I'll give it a shot. So anyhow, let's get started. So I've already pat dried the wings, put them in the refrigerator for a while, let them dry up a little bit more. And we're just going to go ahead and start with some duck fat, just as a binder more or less. And it will add a little bit of flavor to them, but that's just, you know, I like it. I'm hoping that'll also help crisp them up, and we'll find out at the end, won't we? So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we will be right back. Alright, so I got everything sprayed out with duck fat. Again, just flavor and binder. So we're going to go ahead and start applying, some of our rubs. Shameless plug, in case you can't see it, Sleeper Barbecue shirts and hats. Just sort of a quick little order of a few of each. Just trying out some different styles, and see what I like. Okay, so sort of kind of divided them up. I don't know how else to sort of keep them separated, because I'm an old man, so memory isn't my one of the things I have left that's best. So, but we will do what we do. Keep chugging. So this is Uncle Steve's Gator Shake on one side. And I actually decided to X the Meat Church's rub. I might put it on a couple, but I really decided to hold off on it because I don't want to ruin my wings, and It's basically flour, several different types of flour. But I just soon not ruin them. But you know what? I think I will. What the heck? You only live once. So we're going to try this new stuff from All American Pitmasters and see what it's all about. That was enough of it to where I can just sort of rub the wings around on what spilled over on the platter. But I need to put it into a shaker, but I'm not quite sure I'm going to use it for future cooks, to at least give it a shot anyway, and then we'll make a decision from that point. So let's try a couple of these wings in here and let's see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't ruin my wings, but we'll see. So if I sound a little nervous, it's because I am. As I said in the beginning, I just decided to, this is something I wanted to do. Getting close to retiring, and getting old. What I do, I actually retired from UPS already, but I just I got my Maryland state license for home remodeling, Maryland Home Improvement Commission license, and I'm just getting old, Alright, so we're going to start the garlic and gutter application. So far I'm sort of kind of liking this stuff here. I figured much. I'd get a little bit of flame up. If I thought ahead of time, I should have brought another tripod out here, but the tripods I have got two different mounts on them. So the ones on the camera now, it's like a quick disconnect, and it'd just be a pain in the butt to get it on and off, because the other tripod is not a quick disconnect. So, but I flipped the wings. It looked like they're getting pretty good. I'm going to have to put this phone or this camera down here shortly and get this thing closed back up. Alright, so we're temping at about 170. See, to me, the wings look pretty daggone good. So I'm going to start just basting with a little bit of that Blues Hog Chipotle Raspberry Barbecue Sauce. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried this stuff, you really need to try it. I think the stuff's absolutely great. It's got a little sweet, if you don't mind a little sweet with a bite to it, then don't buy it. But stuff, in my opinion, is just out of this world. I've tried a few of their couple of their barbecue sauces, and they're all good, but this one in particular is exceptionally well. I really enjoy it. Alright, we're back. Wings are off the kettle. Went over a little bit more than I wanted to. The Weber, I'm sorry. About 180, something like that. But the sauce looks pretty good. I will say that seasoning from Meat Church, that powder, really made these rings pretty crispy, which is really good. The others are crispy too, but I guess, because of the sauce, I lost some of the crispiness. Is what I'm saying. That's what I'm sticking to. But anyhow, this right here, this over here is that seasoning that I was telling you about with Uncle Steve's. Not Uncle Steve's. That's an edit. It's a garlic and butter, but with Meat Church's powder. They're chicken breading for fried chicken. Those are this right here. This right here is this All-American Pitmaster's rub. I really like the color. Looks good. And then the other one, of course, is the Uncle Steve's Gator Shake, which is right here. I probably could have put a little bit more of this on there, and I probably should, but I just stopped where I had it at. But so, and I mentioned a couple of YouTubers that I really look up to. There's a lot more that I didn't mention that I really think are phenomenal. But hopefully I'll remember to give them a shout out one day. Thanks again for watching. And please, if you would, it's a new channel, so subscribe and click that bell for all notifications. I'd much appreciate it. And things will get better, as I said already. It's growing pains. But I got the first video behind me. Now all I gotta do is edit it, which is, again, going to be a whole other animal to me. But it may take me a couple of days to get this edited, but hopefully it'll turn out okay. Definitely better than the first 12 I put out, with just little shorts for testing. Is all it was just testing volumes and stuff. And so thanks again for watching, and please tune in again. My name is Lance, Sleeper Barbecue from Southern Maryland.